So let me start off by saying that if you like what you see by the end of this video, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I've been putting out videos every single week for the past year and a half. This week, beef neck bones. They're dirt cheap to buy and full of flavor if you cook them the right way. So let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy. Take a Dutch oven. Set it on the stove at medium high. I've got mine for number 6. Get some olive oil. Get that olive oil drizzled all around. Let's heat that up for a minute. Alright, looks like it's heated up. So we're going to drop our neck bones. So all we're going to do is brown them. Some Caribbean jerk. Some salt. We're going to brown it. That Caribbean jerk is strong. We're going to brown this for about 2 or 3 minutes aside. We're going to season all the sides. And we also want to try to brown the various sides. So while the meat is browning, chop up an onion, carrots, and celery. Take a food processor, throw in your onion, throw in some carrots, throw in some celery, take some chicken broth, put a little bit of broth in it. Let's pulverize it. So this trifecta of vegetables, the onion, the carrots, and the celery, we throw in a little chicken broth in order to help pulverize it, in order to turn it into a little stew. It's called the Mirepoix. We're going to use it as our flavor base for our neck bones. So it looks like I'm going to make 2 or 3 batches of this Mirepoix on this small food processor. I want to use up 1 onion, 2 celery sticks, and 2 carrots. I don't know why I got 3. Anyways, let's keep going. And that's what it's going to look like. Let's throw in our Mirepoix. Take our chicken broth. going to put in, these are 32-ounce containers of chicken broth. Probably going to drop 1.5 containers in there. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. Always preheat your oven, 350. Also need some chopped tomatoes or diced tomatoes. Get that slightly stirred in there. And a little bit more Caribbean jerk. Get your top. Cover it up. Take some mitten gloves. Because your Dutch oven is hot. Let's throw this bad boy into the oven. How long are we going to cook this for? 350, don't forget. 350, 2 hours at about the hour-and-a-half mark. I'm going to make some rice and beans to go along with this. So, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we're 2 hours into the cook time. I've got some rice made. Got my beans made. Let me turn off the stove. Grab some oven mittens. Let's get this bad boy out of the oven. Woo! Looking good. You guys know what time it is. Time to plate up. Beef neck bones. Simple, easy, cheap. So until next week, cook! Don't be lazy.